Hello, my name is Michael Nowakowski and I greet you from city of Kielce from Poland. This short video is a presentation of my Pomodoro Timer application. It is a fulfillment of CS50's introduction to programming with Python final project. It facilitates usage of Pomodoro time management technique, and it helps to control time spent on any task and keep focus. Application is made with the Tkinter package. It also uses Pygame for playing and managing sounds. There are some functions from math library to create and update a progress gauge pointer, which is this element. And you need to install calculator font in the system before running this application. It was created on Windows 10 platform, and you might upload all project files from GitHub and recreate application on any platform. Main application's functionality is a timer. Those two buttons are to steer the timer, start button and pause button. Here we have two buttons to set timer for work or break. Those sliders are to set break time or work time, like this. And here we have sound menu to choose alarm sound, and here we can test chosen sound. Anyway, here we have a progress gauge and goal completion field, and it updates every minute. Here we set volume, and here as a session work time goal settings, hours and minutes. At the bottom there is a short upper description, and the advantage of this application is potential for further development, like presenting total time of work and breaks, checkbox for timer auto start, user authentication, cloud database with activity tracker, saving settings, some analytical features. Those are ideas for further development. So I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time.